are here to discussing about our case study titled of the use of ICT in rural schools. So, by the way, I am Christopher Sid Abin.
And I am Elisha Kaldalin.
And I am Erica Hako.
And we are the Group 3. Welcome to our video exploring case study titled of the use of ICT in rural schools.
We'll examine the challenges and opportunities presented by integrating technology into these often underserved communities.
Our analysis incorporates feedback from our initial presentation and connect the issues to the broader context of science, technology, and society.
One major challenge we identified is the lack of reliable internet infrastructure in many rural areas. This severely limits access to online learning resources and digital tools. Furthermore, many schools lack the necessary hardware like computers and tablets in sufficient numbers.
Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are immense. ICT can provide rural students with access to a wealth of educational resources previously unavailable. It can enhance learning through interactive simulation, virtual field trips, and collaborative projects.
From an STS perspective, this is not just about technology, it's about social equity and economic development. Improved access to information and communication technologies can empower rural communities, restoring economic growth and improving healthcare access. We saw this in our research where access to online resources significantly improved student performance in science and math.
Based on feedback from our initial presentation, we refined our understanding of the teacher training aspect. We initially underestimated the need for ongoing tailored professional development programs to support teachers in effectively integrating ICT into their lessons. This requires not only technical training but also pedagogical approaches that leverage technology effectively. Addressing this requires a multi-pronged approach. Government investment in infrastructure is crucial, alongside public-private partnership to provide affordable internet access and technology. Community involvement is also key, engaging parents and local organizations to support digital literacy initiatives. In conclusion, integrating ICT in rural schools presents significant challenges, but the potential rewards are substantial. By addressing the infrastructural limitation, providing an adequate teacher training, and fostering community engagement, we can bridge the digital divide and ensure that all students, regardless of location, have access to a quality education.
We encourage you to share this video and join the conversation about how we can better support education in rural communities. Let's work together and create more equitable and technological advanced future for all.
Yeah, making each day after year.